Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can edit numbers in image on Canva. So I will show you the full tutorials. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me put one image with numbers. You can see we have that image with numbers, and if you have your own image you can upload from here. Go to the upload your image from your device. Once you upload, you can see that image here. Just select that, it will be put on the canvas. Okay, like this. So I'm just take this image. Okay, so this is my image with numbers. So how can I edit that numbers? Select your image, go to the edit here. Under the tools, go to the see all, and here you can go to the grab text options. So here you can select all text, or you can select particular numbers, or you can select all numbers. So I select only one numbers here and just make it grab. So Canva will be start working on it, and it will the Canva will be grab. So this number has been grabbed. Now just zoom in. So this is number, so I just double click on it, delete that number and put another number like this. You can also change it, align or place like this. You can use your keyboard arrows to make sure it is on the right place. Once you're done, just come back here, come zoom in. This is my photos with numbers, and if you want to group that, just select that both image and numbers and group it. Now you can simply resize it, or you can remove this image freely on canvas like this. Okay, now you can download also from here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.